Hello dear friends, my name is Aleksis and today I'm going to share with you detailed instructions on how to thoroughly clean a glass balcony door to make it shine clean and clear again. In this video, I will cover every step from preparing the work area to the final polish so you can easily replicate this process in your own homes. First, it's important to properly prepare your workspace. Before you start cleaning, remove all unnecessary furniture and items that might get in the way of your work. If dust has accumulated on or around the glass, first go over with a dry soft cloth or use a vacuum cleaner with a delicate surface attachment. This will help avoid rubbing coarse dust into the glass during subsequent wet cleaning. Next, prepare the necessary tools. You will need a bucket of warm water, to which you should add a small amount of cleaner, specifically designed for glass surfaces. Please note that the choice of cleaning agent is crucial. It should be mild and not contain aggressive chemical components that can damage the glass or leave streaks. In addition, you will need a microfiber sponge or soft cloth that will allow you to work gently without the risk of scratching the surface. Once all the tools have been prepared, let's move on to the cleaning process itself. Start by dipping the sponge into the bucket with the solution and gently wring it out so that it is damp, but not dripping excess water. It is important that the sponge was soft enough. This will allow you to evenly distribute the solution on the surface and avoid streaks. Start wiping the glass from top to bottom, working in small sections. It is recommended to use smooth, even movements so that the solution has time to penetrate into the micro cracks of the glass and effectively remove dirt. Pay special attention to the corners and edges, where dust and dirt residues most often accumulate. If you notice stubborn stains, do not rush to rub too hard. It is better to give the cleaning solution a little time for exposure and then repeat the treatment. During the process, it is important to make sure that no excess cleaning solution remains. To do this, after the wet treatment, use a clean damp cloth that has been wrung out beforehand until it leaves no drips. This will wash away any residual cleaning solution that might leave streaks as it dries. Afterwards, use a dry microfiber cloth to finally remove moisture and give the glass a shine. Pay special attention to quality control at each stage. If streaks or small spots remain on the glass after dry polishing, repeat the procedure on the problem areas, paying attention to the accuracy of the movements. A rubber spatula can also be an excellent tool for removing difficult dirt, especially when it comes to rain marks or mineral deposits. Don't forget that regular cleaning is key to keeping your glass pristine, clean and clear. Schedule such maintenance for your balcony door at least once a week, especially during dusty days or after rain when new dirt appears on the surface. I hope that my recommendations will help you quickly and easily handle the cleaning of your glass balcony door, returning it to its impeccable look and shine. If you have any questions or want to share your experience and tips, please feel free to leave comments below the video, subscribe to my channel, give me likes, and share this video with friends who may need similar help. Thank you for being with me today. I wish you cleanliness, coziness, and ease in every day. See you again and good luck with your cleaning.